In this video, you will see how to remove underline in Word document. In Microsoft Word, to remove the underlined text, you just have to select the underlined text. There are total 3 methods to remove the underline. In the first method, you just have to right click on the selected text and go to the font option here. And you will see the preview of the text you have selected with the underline. To remove the underline under the underline style, you just have to select the option none, and in the preview you will see that the underline has been removed, and then click on OK. Second method is also very easy. You just have to select the text and you will see here the U button with the underline. This is the underline button, so at present it is on. You just have to click on the underline button one time to remove the underline. Last method is a keyboard shortcut. On your keyboard, press CTRL U to remove the underline. And if you are using a MacBook Air or MacBook Pro, in Word Mac, you just have to press Command U to remove the underline. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos related to Microsoft Word. Subscribe and press the bell icon if you want to learn more tips and tricks quickly like these.